welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this very rare Cherokee diesel Overland. This car is in absolutely stunning condition for a four-wheel drive. It really is. Got a host of extras on it. It feels like new inside. It's incredible. Anyway, I'll show you around. It's got front park distance control. Metallic black, absolutely fantastic condition. Black alloys. The car's running on Michelin tyres all the way around. That shows you it's been well looked after. Paintwork is immaculate. Rear park distance control. Rear camera. Look at that. Really has been looked after. It's got an electric tailgate. Privacy glass to the rear. The boot looks like it's never had anything in it. Absolutely beautiful. Spare wheel, looks like it's never been on. Full leather interior that, I'll be honest, doesn't look like it's ever been sat on. It really is that beautiful. Look at that. No kids been kicking the back of those seats or anything. Full panoramic roof, tilt and slide. Electric mirrors, electric windows, power folding mirrors. Obviously memory seats, electric seats. There's the Overland stitched in there. Smells like the steering wheel feels, it's absolutely nowhere. Lovely low mileage example, 29,736 miles. Automatic obviously, got AUX, USB SD cards, all terrain there for auto, snow, sport, sand and mud. Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation. Reverse parking camera, all that for your seats. So you've got heated seats, vented seats, heated mirror, heated steering wheel. Let's get it all right. Bluetooth media you've already seen. It's all DAB radio. Obviously air conditioning, climate control. There's probably a lot more. Cruise control, yeah, cruise control's there. The car feels and looks like new, I'm not gonna lie, it's absolutely lovely. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07503 751 005. Thank you.